I'm a champion, a champion. I got tons of soul on my true.
Hi guys, it's your girl Aminika Beauty again with another one. So if it's your first time stopping by, you are most definitely welcome. Mwah. So guys, I'm back with another video. So today's video is about this makeup look, and also I'll be showing you how I installed this frontal wig. And if you're interested in seeing this video till the end, just stay glued guys, keep watching. I'll be sharing with you different tricks I used in achieving this look. So guys, I need y'all to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also leave a comment in the comment section box down below and share with your friends. So guys, without further ado, let's get into today's video. So basically, I'm going to be starting off with the wig I got from a Ninja Beauty on Instagram. So I'll be installing
So right now I'm cutting the lace into three parts. That's the side. I'm cutting both sides. Then I cut. So by doing this, it's going to make it so easy for me to like trim out the lace. So I'm just going to secure the lace, the frontal lace wig, by using my clips to hold it down. So now I'm cutting. It's very easy this way. Yeah, so you just trace it out.
I'm using both wipes
To wipe my face to clean the dirt. I'll be applying a bit.
So I'll be applying the got2b glue gel on my hand,
spreading it through my hairlines, my hair edges. I'll be forming baby hairs with the glue just to make the edges look beautiful and natural. So I'm doing the same thing. Now I'm spraying the got2b glue spray gel on my edges. So I'm drawing it to my then I place it gently, just directly on the glue. Now I'm trimming this. I'm taking out extra hairs to form baby hair. I'll be trimming with this. I got this razor from Wig Tools on Instagram. I'll be forming baby hairs. Yes, like so. I'll be doing the same. And then I'm also going to tie it down and secure the edges. Voila! I'm just trimming my eyebrows with my razor, although they are already carved, but I'm just trimming them to make it look neat. And
normally I do my brows before the skin work, so today I'm going to be trying skin work first before my brows. So let's see how this goes. Then I'll be cleansing with this Body Shop oil balancing toner. My cutting part's finished, so I'll be making use of my wipes. So I'm just going to cleanse my face. So I'll leave it to dry. The next thing I'll be doing is use a face mist. I also got this from Body Shop. It gives my face this dewy finish, like glues. So I'm just spraying. And it also has SPF 30. I use this most times when I'm going under the sun, so just to protect my skin from sunburn. So up next, I'll be using my foundation. Man, I've had this foundation, Huda Beauty in Cinnamon. I've had this foundation for like 2 years now, and I've not changed my foundation. It's not even finished yet. I bought it for like approximately 20,000 naira when I got it. So guys, this foundation is the bomb. I've been using it for like and it's fantastic. I got it in Sephora. You can also buy it from other Nigerian outlets if you're in Nigeria and you need this. It's fantastic. And it's a full coverage foundation.
Using a stippling foundation brush.
First things first, I'll be highlighting with LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fun.
So I'm just highlighting my under eye, like so. This is to make your makeup pop like.
Next, my chin area, I'm just going to highlight it. LA Girl Pro Concealer in Beautiful Bronze. Then you take it up gradually.
So basically I'm just blending. You just keep dabbing. Blend all the highlighted areas. So I'm blending my forehead, like so. Blending my chin area, both sides. Blending my nose bridge. For the contour, I'm using the bottom and highlighting it, blending out the ash lines. And also I'm doing the same on my cheekbones, like so. I'll be making use of my Sacha Buttercup setting powder and further highlighting my face. So I'm just doing the same process as highlighting with the concealer on my face. I'm just taking the setting powder and spreading them all over my face. Not all over my face, sorry. Spreading them on the highlighted area where I used the concealers. As you can see, I used it on my eyebrows to set my brows. So I'll be using this brow pencil, Beauty Line by Didi. I got it on Instagram from Atoll Glam. So like you see, I'm just drawing a thin stroke under my brows, following my natural brow lines. I don't like to create an imaginary brow lines that are not there. So I just follow my eyebrows, my natural eyebrow shape, like so. So I'm drawing the same stroke on top of my brows, like so. Just following my natural brow lines. And now I'm filling in, just filling lightly, taking strokes, like just creating strokes, like so. Doing the same at the front, brushing it. Go. So right now I'm just cleaning up the excess. So I'm highlighting it with the same concealer that's in shade Fawn. It's just a shade lighter than my skin tone. So I'm just cleaning out the excess, as you can see. Some like to use a shade lighter at the bottom of the brows and a shade darker at the front of the brows, just to give it a natural blend. But I don't mind. I use the same concealer in highlighting, so I'm using a shade darker to highlight the upper part of my brows, just to make it look all flawless and natural. So that's what I'm doing basically. So right now I'm taking this brush to like blend out the concealer, and I'm just blending it through. I'm just dabbing, as you can see. So now I'm taking a Sacha Buttercup to like blend the concealer and make it even and flawless. So
I'm using this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil as my eyeshadow base. So I'm just using a fluffy brush to blend.
I'll be using this pink shade as well as this. I might use a bit of this brown, but I'll be starting with the window one for my traditional color.
Starting from the back.
So right now I'm just taking a bit of the eyeshadow, that's the pink shade, and applying it on my eyelid like so. I'm just blending it, and that's what you do basically when you're applying the makeup on your or makeup products on your face. So I'm just going in with that middle shade to like blend the excess. Now I'm taking the chocolate shade to darken my crease.
Now I'm just using a thin brush to blend.
So I'm just going to smudge under my eyes with this brush. I'm taking the brown eyeshadow.
So I'm just smudging my under eye, basically. Just blending it. So I'll be going into my waterline with this Inglot gel liner in shade 77. I'll be using a flat brush, and I'm just going to apply the products like so. I'm sorry the mirror was blocking the view. So right now I'm just going to be dusting off the excess setting powder. This is like baking when you leave your setting powder on your face for a while, and it's just going to intensify the highlighted area and make it look and make your face pop. And so right now I'll be going in with my Milani powder in shade 1 just to blend in the ash lines and all of that. So I'll be going over my face like so and just spreading the powder all over my face. So right now I'm taking the chocolate shade and contouring my nose bridge like so. As you can see, the effect is to make it smaller. I'll be contouring my cheek with the same chocolate shade. So I'm adding a bit of blush. Now I'm blending. Up next, I'll be setting my eyebrows with this product. It's also by Beauty Line by Didi. It's just to tint my brows like so. Up next is mascara. I'm just going to apply it like so. I mean, it's a game changer and it's just going to make your eyes pop in no time.
The most interesting segment of makeup. Glow, baby. This is my Inglot Glow Sparkling Dust.
So I'm just going to be applying the product on the apples of my cheeks like so. As you can see, it's glowing already. So beautiful. So I'm just applying the product on my jaw, my forehead. If you're a forehead gang, just say hi if you're in the building. So I'm applying the product on my nose bridge, my cupid bow like so. I'm just gonna blend all the products together. I'll be using this lipstick palette, the pink shade and chocolate shade, the disposable lip brush to apply the products. I'm sorry, I was blocking my... Right now, I'll be going in with this Ruby Light Cosmetics lip gloss just to apply on my lips. I'm a gloss girl, as you can see, it's beautiful. I'll be making use of this shimmer. I already scooped it out, as you can see. I love it. I love the glow. So right now, I'll be using this adhesive clear glue for my eyelashes. So I'm applying it gently on my eyelid. And right here is luxury lashes. It's luxury lashes by Minikoi Beauty. I tell you, this brand is fantastic. You need to get yourself one if you haven't done that already. So it's so beautiful, and it's a 3D mink eyelashes. I already took the lashes out. So right now I'm just going to apply the glue on the false lashes and place it gently on my eyelid. And I tell you, this trick is fantastic. I do this regularly when I'm applying my false lashes. It's easy and it's fast. So you can try this out at your leisure. So I'm just resting the lashes on my eyelid like so. It's easy. I don't even tear up when I do this. Depress pigment on my tear just to give it more vibes. Voila, we are done. So I'm taking out the headband. And here you go. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you love it. Thanks for watching, guys. Until the next one, peace out. Love you. Bye. So I apologize, guys. My lippy is changed in the picture. Yes, I know. I lost the video clip of where I recorded the lip change. So if you're interested in seeing how I did that, just leave a comment in the comment section box below and I will recreate. Thank you.